Suppose you're running an email marketing campaign on your website that is collecting data through a pop-up form on your website and then manually shifting the data in your CRM just to find out that the data is either duplicate or have a lot of errors. Well, while managing a large volume of users or customers, this data entry can be a tedious and a cumbersome process. To automate this process, we have built an automation on Make.com that solves this problem. Well, this automation on Make.com gets your data from the web form and saves it to the Klaviyo CRM, saving you time and making sure that the CRM is up to date. When a member fills out that pop-up form in the web form, this data is get by Make.com and then Make.com populates the data in the CRM Klaviyo. This process is automated and happens smoothly. It makes sure that the Klaviyo CRM is member list is updated and the emails are sent out smoothly to the person, making your marketing campaign smooth. Now, let's jump into the automation to see how it works. So this is our make scenario that we have built as per the requirement. I'll just show you a quick demonstration about the project and how it works. I hope you can see the trigger, that is the Webflow, and in this we have this Webflow module that is used to get the watch events, and we are checking if the form is the sign up form. So we are matching the form ID from the particular form that we want as the pop-up form to be selected, and then we are just getting the form submission from that. And here it extracts the data and we are checking if the profile exists on Klaviyo or not. We are checking that through the email, and you can see inside this module the email is checked by the filter, and if the profile already exists, it will just go ahead and update the profile of the member, and if it does not, it will create a new profile like this. So I will just show you on my website. So this is my pop-up form where I will fill the first name, last name and email address. So I'll do that. So we are filling in the information, basic information, and I will just go ahead and submit. I will submit the form and we can come back to our scenario, and in the history runs we can check. So history, the details we can check and move to the last one. So we can see that this route was selected as the first route. The form was submitted and my email was in the form response, first name, last name and the email. In the router we can see it was routed to the first route and the new profile was created. In the Klaviyo we can see, I'll refresh it, and we can see that a new profile was created in the members and I was added as a member with my email address. And you can also see in the profiles also I was added. Let's go back to the diagram. Again, if I just refresh the page and fill the form again, so I will fill the form again but with the same email address so that it does not create a new profile but it updates an existing one. So I will just type a new name and the last name will also be something new last name, and then I'll submit the form again. Move back to our scenario to see the history section again, and you can see that the route is selected as second. So the form was submitted, and since it was an already existing user, it is just updating the member profile, the first name and last name. So the email was matched, and you can see in the email new name and first name and last name are mapped. In the Klaviyo also we can see, if I refresh it, so the page is refreshed and we can see that a new profile is not created but the existing profile is updated with my email as it is, and new first name and last name are changed. So in the segments also, in the member list we have in Klaviyo, we have these two already existing names where email are different and duplicate entries are not there. That was the entire automation. Now let's talk about the problem that it solves. Firstly, it manages your email marketing efforts by making sure that your data is accurate, not duplicate, and efficient. It ensures that your Klaviyo list is always updated, making sure that there is no error and your list is always fresh. So if you're looking to optimize your workflow with minimal effort, this is a game changer. Here, at GrowStacks, we build many solutions like this that are customizable to your business needs. So if you're looking to build such automations or build a automation that is similar to your perfect business needs, you can contact us and feel free to collaborate with us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.